Managing app SMS permissions on the Galaxy S24 allows you to control which apps can access and send text messages, enhancing your privacy and security. Here's how it's done. First, press the home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel. Next, tap on the settings icon. Once in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. At the top of the screen, tap on the More Options button or the 3 vertical dots and select Permission Manager from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find SMS. Tap on it to see a list of apps that have requested SMS permissions. Choose an app, for example, Messages. Here, you can select either Allow or Don't Allow. If you choose Don't Allow, confirm by tapping Don't Allow anyway. Tap the back key to save your changes. Now, if you have issues with app permissions for other apps and don't know where to look, the best way to go around it is to reset app preferences. To do that, go back to the main app screen and tap the More Options icon at the top right corner again and select Reset App Preferences. Tap Reset to confirm. Now all permissions and app preferences are reset. That should fix the problem. And that's it. That's how you can manage SMS permissions for apps on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.